Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading Pips. So here are we again, and it's been a long time that you haven't seen me nor heard my voice because I was trading, but the market were not stable. They were instabilized, so I was taking a break a bit, and it was a break also. So yeah, here am I. Today I'm recording this video for two things, like for two terms. First one, let's watch the market, and second one, I'm going to tell you about prop firm. What is prop firm, how you can get it, and yeah, let's see. That's a gold. Today it's a Good Friday, so the market is closed, but only the metals market is closed. Forex is active, you can see, but there is no, there is no movement. For example, if I go on a 4 hour time frame, I take yeah, there is no movement. See, yesterday there was a movement. Yeah, that's a TP. I know. So yeah, there's no movement from 3rd April, 2:30 p.m. No movement. The market has been consolidating within this range. If I go from no, if I go from this to this to this, that's it. That's a day long. There's no movement because today there's a good there's a Good Friday, so the market is closed, and yeah, we were looking for the markets, and I'm trading in this AUD USD too currently. That's a good chart, to be honest. I guess it's a good range I get. I don't like market is not much manipulative, and yeah. And that's a USD JPY for you. Let's look for a gold one if you want to see. Go for the 4 hour time frame. Reload tab, save and reload. Mhm. And it's loading. So yeah, it was Fibonacci, reacted Fibonacci level, went up, good zone. So yeah, okay, so here it is, removing Fibonacci, and yeah, I got this one Fibonacci. So yeah, the gold is consistently falling, then getting a pullback again. It's falling, so gold is uh currently it's unstable, and ingassable due to war situation. So yeah, totally depends upon this only one thing. Let me show you what's that. Where is that option? No. Markets. I'll show you a DXY chart. That's a dollar index chart. Okay, let's see that. My net is a bit slow, so yeah, my apologies for that. And yeah, let's see. Okay, leave. I will show you over here on USD JPY, DXY dollar index chart. I'm gonna go with yeah, TVC. So yeah, see, US dollar has been proportional to gold. It's opposite to gold. If this one is rising, for example, I'll show you one thing. If this is rising, then for example, it's we're taking 23rd March 1830. Okay, 23rd March 10:30, 14:30, 18:30. Right, this one, this candle, it's a red one, right? But here we get a green one. See, 23 March 1830, it's a green candle. So it's reversal of, if this is falling, that will rise. If that is falling, then this will rise. So that's the thing I want to share with you guys. Even if you want to predict the gold future, you can just see the dollar index chart. That's it. If this one is rising, for example, we can see a range from date and time. Let's go with this. Mm, we are going with 25th March 1630. See, it's rising from 25th March 20 25th March 1630. Okay, we'll go over here, take the range, same shit. 25th March 1630, 25th March 12:30, 16:30. Yeah, see, See, same shit. It's falling. 25th March, it's a red candle over here. But on dollar index, it's a green candle. See, the dollar is rising, that means gold is falling. So that's irreversible proportional to each other. So that's you can predict the gold. And yeah, so let's go for gold predictions for a moment. And currently, what I believe, what my trading strategy sheds out, it currently states that I'm looking for a buy after the 15 minutes candle closes above this over here, or a buy at this moment, because that's irrelevant, like it's a actual buy for my side, that's what I got. So yeah, or if I get a pullback at this over here, again I'm looking for sell by keeping my SL short position, SL over here. And again, TP is this for 15 minutes time frame. It's a more clear image, but if on overview time frame I want to look at this. So yeah, I usually look 4 hour and 15 minutes. 4 hour for the like zone confirmation and trend confirmation, and 15 minutes to take a trade. I usually hold for long. So yeah, that's the thing. And one more thing, you guys have heard of prop firms, the firms that provide funds to trader in order to trade. So yeah, I have been funded trader, and I have faced this issue. See, I got like this was $1,000. That's it. This is $1,000 funded account. So what I saw over here is a $50 profit, and see, I is my yeah. If I go for withdrawal again, okay, withdrawal profit. Why can't withdraw my profits? Yeah, $50. So I can't withdraw all of my profit. So I think you should be more careful when you buy this challenge. So yeah, thank you for watching.